Welcome back to DIY Willy. Today we're going to take a look at something we just got for the BAJA RZR project that we were really trying to decide what we wanted to do, and we came up with a good solution, and we're going to take a look at those right now. So I know this is a quick video, and look at that, I'm right in the shadow. Look at that. This will just be a quick video of the seats. We got the original Polaris seats recovered with a leather-like, very soft vinyl, probably leather material, with Alcantara in the middle, which is also like a man-made leather material. And man, they're really nice. The sun's so bright, I guess so. They are super nice. All the stitching looks really good. This is a guy here locally that did this for us. He recovered them, got rid of the other, I think it was red and white and black seat covers, and he sewed these up, and they look fantastic. Really amazing. I'll try to put a picture in here somewhere of the seats, how they looked before we did the reupholstering. But yeah, like I said, it was a local guy here. He usually does awnings, but he's trying to get into upholstery business, and yeah, came up with a great deal. I'll also put a link in the description for his shop, his website. And yeah, if anybody are in the San Diego National City area and need upholstery work done, this guy did an amazing job. Just look at the stitching, how it rolls, really nice. Over here, I tied in the Alcantara, really nice. My shadow's cast all over it. I'm sorry, I'll get on this side. Yeah, talk about nice. Now, we had other options. We were looking at some of the jungle site seats, the China seats, and well, we were afraid because this roll cage is so close to our heads in this car. These seats seem to fit good, and we designed it with these seats in there, so it was easier just to go with the factory seats, and everything still fit nice. We were afraid that if we got some aftermarket seats that they might sit higher. There's not much I can do to lower them, so this was the best choice, I believe, and they turned out fantastic. Amazing. And they smell nice too. They smell like leather. So yeah, we've got some new seats for the RZR, and they look really nice. Let's see how they look inside. Yeah, take a look at them in the car. Those look sweet. Look really nice. Like I said, I'm going to put a picture of what they used to look like, and for comparison. Excuse me. So if you remember when I did the pedal install and the alternator in the car, I made a video about that, and I also put in the new steering wheel that we got for the car in that video. I have since taken it out because I didn't want to do all the welding and work around the new steering wheel, but the new steering wheel is wrapped with this Alcantara stuff. Alcantara, there we go. It's wrapped in this, so this will match the steering wheel. And I think we're going to do something like this with the headliner, and also on the door panels, the door cards. So yeah, it looks amazing. And well, I want to sit down. Let me set you guys up so I can sit down and talk. Oh yeah, and it's there. Oh, those sit nice. Those sit really nice. Did I get them on the right side? Yeah. Woo! They're comfortable. This is going to be really nice. It's still pretty high. We're just cruising around town, we should be all right. But when we go off road, we're definitely going to have helmets on to protect our noggins from this. And these seats will probably give a little bit as we sit in them. But, oh yeah, they sit nice. Pretty comfortable. They smell really good. I wish I had smell-o-vision right now and you could smell them, how good they smell. The fabrics that they use, and it just smells like a new car. Really cool. I'm liking it. Feels good. So I just wanted to make a quick video here about the new, well, they're not new, but the seats being recovered. The new seat covers, I should say. They look really good in there. When the car is done, we're not sure if the car is going to be white or orange or something like that. Right now, you know, the body is white primer. But we're definitely gonna be painting it up with a white or an orange color. We'll decide. And the seats with this upholstery will match either one of those colors, along with the new steering wheel. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video showing the seats and share them with you guys, show where the progress of this project is going and how nice it's going to be. I guess I got a lot to work to do to keep up with this. All right, I'll see you next time. And oh, I forgot, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and always come back to DIY Willy for more on the BAJA RZR project. There we go, now I got it right. So back, I'll see you guys next time, and bye.